is one of the most well-known and influential political leaders of the 21st century. His journey from a small apartment in the Soviet Union to the presidency of Russia is a remarkable story of ambition, discipline, and power. Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin was born on October 7, 1952, in Leningrad, a city that is now called St. Petersburg. He grew up in a simple family. His father worked in a factory, and his mother had different jobs to support the family. As a child, Putin was interested in sports, especially judo and sambo, a Russian martial art. He believed that sports taught him discipline and self-control. He was also fascinated by stories about spies and intelligence officers. After finishing school, Putin studied law at Leningrad State University. He graduated in 1975 and soon joined the KGB, the intelligence agency of the Soviet Union. For several years, Putin worked as an intelligence officer. In the 1980s, he was sent to East Germany, where he carried out various assignments for the Soviet government. During this period, the Soviet Union was going through major changes. In 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed. It was a turning point in Russian history and in Putin's life. He left the KGB and entered politics. Putin worked in the administration of St. Petersburg and gained a reputation as a hard-working and loyal official. His abilities attracted the attention of leaders in Moscow, and he was invited to work in the Russian government. In 1999, Russian President Boris Yeltsin appointed Putin as Prime Minister. Later that year, Yeltsin unexpectedly resigned and named Putin as acting president. In 2000, Vladimir Putin won the presidential election and officially became the president of Russia. During his years in power, Russia experienced significant political and economic changes. Supporters praised him for bringing stability and strengthening the country's influence on the world stage. Critics, however, raised concerns about political freedoms and government policies. Putin also served as prime minister between 2008 and 2012 before returning to the presidency again. Under his leadership, Russia has played an important role in many international events and has remained a major global power. His decisions and policies have often attracted worldwide attention and debate. Whether admired or criticized, Vladimir Putin has become one of the most influential political figures of modern times. His story is closely connected with the history of modern Russia and the changes that have shaped the country since the end of the Soviet Union. From a young boy in Leningrad to one of the world's most recognized leaders, Vladimir Putin's journey is a story of determination, ambition, and political power.